Hello, my name is Jason Wise and I'm the General Manager of SATO UK. In this video, we wanted to give you some insight into our company, people, products and processes. So what does SATO do? We specialise in developing auto ID solutions to help businesses run smoothly. By tagging items with data, either in the form of a barcode, RFID, QR code or a standard printed label, our auto ID solutions create new experiences, deliver safety and reassurance and help solve societal challenges. From labels that can track medicine from its production to dosing, to a warehouse system that helps workers visualise the fastest route for picking, SATO is continuously innovating to help businesses prosper in the digital age. To help drive customer success, labels are an important part of our solutions and make up roughly 65% of our sales revenue. And here in the UK, our modern presses at our state-of-the-art factory in Harwich in Essex can produce all the labels or tags that you may require. In terms of the wider business, SATO also manufactures its own range of thermal printers for many different industries. From healthcare and automotive to food and retail, our printers are equipped with intelligent and customisable functions that enable them to print on demand for either simple or highly complex operations. Here at SATO UK, we look after the UK and Ireland, but with various offices located around the world, SATO has a global network that's committed to developing products and services that promote innovation and creativity. It's in this spirit of ceaseless creativity that we hold our values, ensuring our Japanese roots to our holding company, SATO Corporation, are not forgotten. Even though we're based in the UK, our Japanese work ethic remains a key part of who we are as a company. In our business, we work with two key phrases in mind, Kota Uri and Genberi Aku. Kota Uri refers to solution selling. This means that we review our range of products and our partners' solutions, tailoring them to your requirements so we can solve your business pain points. Genberi Aku refers to understanding your business by visiting your site to discover where and how our technology can help. You can see how these two ways of working easily go together. Essentially, this means that we start wherever you are because we are powered on site. So whichever sector you operate in, be it hospitality, manufacturing, logistics or healthcare, we have a tailored solution for you. If you would like to talk to SATO, please contact our team today. We'd be happy to arrange for one of our sales specialists to visit you. Thanks again and take care.